In this video, we are gonna go and cover all the drama of the LayerZero airdrop and what is happening right now and how you are able to go and fix all that you need to do, as well as if you are a Merkley supporter and a Merkley user, we will go and cover just that. But I want to start off by first letting you know there are three new NFT announced by Zora itself on their Twitter, and these are the ones, so very important to go and mint this one. And we got this one, which is the notify anywhere, which potentially put us in a notification setting for the Zora airdrop. So make sure to go and mint it. Once again, it is 0.00007 Ethereum. Very, very nice to go and utilize it and simply go use them and buy it and mint it. Next up we go. It's a feeling. This one, it's a video. Once again, 0.0007 ETH. And it is by Imagine Zora itself, so the official account. I will leave a link down below. It is a video, and to mint it, once again, 0.0007 ETH, which is not something to miss, as it is the official announcement from Zora itself. And we got another one that was being on the trending page of the Zora, which could potentially lead to something, but if you need to pick and choose which one to go and collect, make sure to collect the first two which have been notified by the Zora ecosystem and the Zora official airdrop page over here. It's a feeling very important that we go and mint these two NFTs over here. Next up, I want to talk about the state as well of the crypto space, which we have seen this one, which you probably have seen it, and it is the Skate Now. Do not invest in it. This is a meme coin made by a 10-year-old, which basically exploits his mother, as you can see from Twitter, on, doing something. And this is a meme coin that actually reached $3 million in market cap. Now, I didn't go and invest it. Yes, you could have invested at 100K when this video was made on Kick, when the mother was, feeling generous and providing herself within the video. But I would not go and invest it. It's potentially dead already. Yet, if you do invest $100, it could potentially turn to $300 million market cap, simply because the degeneracy of the state of crypto right now and the Solana meme coin side of things that really is going a little bit too far, also seen from this video over here. Now, this one, it's something that I would recommend you to stay away. But next up, I want to go and talk about the Skate partnership over here. We did cover Skate over here, and Skate, as we see over here, it's a very park.skatechain.org. It's a free to enter testnet. So all you have to do, connect your wallet through the link down below, and you will have to go and connect Twitter, mint an NFT, and claim an NFT, which is absolutely free to do it. But yet we've seen it, we've covered it already, and they did partner up with sim.io, as we see over here, a modular approach to derivatives, intent-centric, bilateral, and permissionless. So it is making moves. We are making a lot of move within the crypto space, and I'm glad to see that something like a testnet, like the Skate one, which we have over here, it is actually making moves, and it is exploring the ecosystem and actually doing something big before it launches. Next up, also I want to talk about the Blur over here. This guy I follow on Twitter, he just mentioned, talking about the LayerZero airdrop, which we are gonna cover in just a second. He did mention something about this Cybele situation and what is happening with LayerZero. Well, LayerZero decided to go and address the Cybele activity, which basically states, if you do any transaction right now, you can simply go to the Explorer and pick a wallet and send it over to their Cybele.LayerZero network over here, Cybele self-report. So it is a self-report. If you want to self-report yourself and you're only going to get 15% of the allocation, or you can report and receive nothing, or report somebody else that will receive nothing, which means that if I want to go to the Explorer and pick any wallet and report that wallet, if you are that wallet that I pick, you're not going to receive the LayerZero airdrop, which seems pretty weird. Like, it is a nice tactics to go and, attack people that want a Cybele if you know people that do Cybele. Yet, I can simply go and I stay here 24/7 for a week and I simply report everybody, and that's it. The airdrop is done. And as mentioned here by Blur, here is an example of a Cybele according to what LayerZero has expressed itself, which could potentially be you, even though you are not a Cybele. We go 12 months of activities, which seems weird because the protocol has been out for more than 12 months. So it seems like they don't even trust the community to use the protocol for 12 months. 100% transactions, so they think that everybody within the community just utilizes once and let it be and wait for the airdrop. 500,000 plus in volume and 30 plus contract used, when they are proud to say, oh, we interact with 30 plus contract, yet if you do that, you'll be blocked. Seems a little bit dodgy to me, seems a little bit weird to me, so I hope they are actually gonna go and, you know, fix it, because I can report anybody can report anybody else. I can get 50% you know, cut, and you're good to go. You're not getting robbed, you're not losing anybody, you're not losing any funds. So I could simply do that, and even though it is what it is, like, people would go with large sum of money, people trade 5 Ethereum on a daily as an airdrop hunter. That's not a side bill. You will get 100 plus transaction, you will get 30 plus contract use, because it is basically your job to farm airdrop. You are gonna have 500,000 plus in volume. So I think they just messed up, and really messed up their own airdrop. As we see over here, also Merkley, which is one of the provider we did integrate the LayerZero technology and had the possibility to go 30 plus contracts, said that they will release a tool to quickly check your past Merkley activity to see what else you can do also within the airdrop, if you could be sent as a cyber. Like, they are trying to come out with something that it is not even their fault. They are, you know, LayerZero actually says, as an official partner and ecosystem, Merkley is part of it. So Merkley allows you to do everything on every transaction, on everything that you can do. And yet by utilizing Merkley, which is in their homepage ecosystem, you get targeted as a cyber. So it just looks very bad in my opinion. And it's probably gonna go down as one of those airdrops that farm the farmers and never provided anything. But talking about that, we also have the weekly report over here by the airdrop page itself, which we do have in the last 2 weeks. We received the avial airdrop, we received the MYT for the Miso users, the Friend Tech users, the Camino for the Solana Camino users, and the REZ for the Renzo risk taker. So it was actually quite a decent 2 weeks if you were able to farm all of them, not both of them, all 5 of them. But yeah, definitely a good week of airdrop. I am just a little bit sorry that the LayerZero simply messed up. They just screwed up, they messed up on themselves. Yeah, I think they really did a big mistake. But with that said, make sure to go and farm and mint the NFTs airdrop over here for the Zora ecosystem, which is an NFT page. Therefore, minting the NFT is the best way possible to go and earn the NFT airdrop. But with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.